Hey Libra, what's up? Welcome to another love reading of yours. Please keep in mind time is fluid. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with this in the future. This is going to be a love reading for the Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the second half of May 2020. I'm going to read the energies of the cards here, and some of the energies can be vice versa. So feel free to assign the roles accordingly, alright? Alright, Spirit Guides, Angels, Universe. What do you have for my Libras in love? Alright, let's do this. Baby, don't hurt me, don't hurt me anymore. Okay, what do we have, your Libra? Someone leaving a long-term commitment, someone not settling for less, someone leaving a marriage. You have the devil here in reverse as your overall energy. Letting go of anything that was unhealthy for you, letting go of a toxic person, or letting go of a toxic situation. This is detachment, okay? Detaching from a certain situation, detaching from a certain outcome, all right? We'll see. In the past, we have the Empress, all right? Someone was in your power. Either someone looked at you like this, or this is how you were. You're sitting in your power, okay? Nice, pretty, hot. The Empress, this is growth and expansion, creating of something new, starting something new, giving birth to something new. Could be pregnancy involved, doesn't have to be. This is someone who knows how to take care of the business, okay? This woman, don't go by the gender, but this is a feminine energy who knows who's got her shit together, all right? She's good with her business, she's good with her house, she's good with her life. She knows how to handle life, guys. All right, and what happened in the current situation with the Five of Pentacles in reverse? Someone wants to return back, someone who you left out in the cold. There could have been a separation or breakup, silent treatment, giving someone the cold shoulder, but someone wants to return back. Okay, someone wants to come back from the cold. And with the King of Swords here, I feel someone's using their logic, mind, and reasoning. Someone's not going to let their emotions come in the way. All right, we'll see. On your mind with the Ten of Wands in reverse, this could be you, this could be the person you're dealing with. Someone's laying off a stressful situation, all right? This is someone saying enough is enough. I can't take this shit anymore, all right? Something was burdensome, something was stressing the shit out of you. You're laying down your burdens, all right? You're not going to be able to take this anymore. You're laying off a situation, like I said. You could be taking on responsibilities of others also. You could be taking on a lot of load of this relationship, but you're like, you know what, I can't do this anymore. With the Eight of Pentacles in reverse as the root of your issue, all right? The root of the issue is that someone's being lazy, all right? Someone's bored and someone's not ready to put in the work, okay? This is someone who wants all the accolades and the appreciation without putting in the hard work, okay? Someone's just being lazy, not putting in the work, not investing into something. Like I said, coming into the future, we have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Your relationship could be lacking stability and security, okay? You're just not being able to reach that point of security, commitment, and stability, all right, in your relationship. All right, so maybe you started something new and or maybe you just realized your value. I feel the Empress is also someone who realizes a lot of self-worth, okay? She realizes she's the best, she deserves the best, okay? And probably once you did that, once you were in that energy, because we have the devil in reverse in your overall energy, you're releasing someone toxic. And I feel that someone wants to come back and they want to have a very clear cut conversation with you with the King of Swords. Someone wants to have like a truthful communication, all right? They want to use the logic and talk to you like, you know what, this is how it is. They want to do it the right way. You could have let this person go with the Ten of Wands in reverse, all right? Probably because with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, this person wasn't investing. And let's see, clarify the devil in reverse. Clarify the devil in reverse. What is this devil in reverse? Yeah, see what I just say. With the devil in reverse, okay, we have this clarified by the Eight of Swords in reverse, the Queen of Swords in reverse, and the Knight of Cups. Someone's pissed off, Libra. Someone's pissed off. Someone's pissed off because you cut them off, you let them go. The Queen of Swords in reverse is someone with a very, very bad attitude, okay? This is someone angry. They'll slit your tires, they'll throw a pillow at your head. They're just not ready to listen to anything, okay? They're just very angry because you cut them off. With the Eight of Swords in reverse, you probably got into your senses. You freed yourself from this person. I see a lot of releasing and freeing. You freed yourself from this person because with the Nine of Cups here, you're just doing what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy. That's the way to go about with it. I like that. Try for the Empress. What is this Empress? What is the Empress here for Libra? Try for the Empress. Try for the Empress. What is this Empress here? What is the Empress here in the past for Libra? King of Pentacles in reverse, the Queen of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, 100% you were in your power with the Queen of Wands, okay? With the Queen of Wands here and the Empress here, 100% I feel you're doing you. Libra, you're doing you. You took action. You got that go for it vibe. You have a lot of suitors, or someone just sees you as like, whoa, she's hot. She's got her shit together. This is someone who takes action. She's the queen of action, all right? And with the King of Pentacles in reverse here, I feel that you're focusing on yourself. You're focusing. The King of Pentacles in reverse is someone who's very self-focused, non-committal. And with the Knight of Pentacles in reverse here, also, I feel that there is someone who was not offering any stability, any growth, any security to you, okay? Things were very wishy-washy with this person. Could be someone who's a very ladies' man. But this is just with both the energies, the King of Pentacles in reverse and the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, okay? I feel this is someone who you were dealing with and you finally took reins in your hands, okay? With the Queen of Wands, you took action. You're like, you know what? I'm going to do what makes me happy. I'm going to take care of myself. And this is someone who's just got the go for it vibe going. Yeah, you let this person go. You probably started focusing on yourself with the Empress here. And things came to a complete halt, okay? With the Knight of Pentacles in reverse here, I feel this is someone who was not ready for change, okay? They were offering nothing. There was just emptiness because they were so focused on themselves, okay? They want the best, they want the fastest, they want the best. But they'll always keep changing, okay? They won't stick. This is not someone who you can plan long-term with, okay? This is not the long-term player, all right? And this is where they were not even moving. They weren't moving their asses, moving ahead and giving you anything committed. So you, with the Empress, learn to focus on yourself. Anyways, the Empress is your card. Libra, Taurus. All right, and now that they see you in your power, they want to come back with the King of Swords. Clarify the Five of Pentacles in reverse. What are the Five of Pentacles in reverse? What is the Five of Pentacles in reverse? What is this Five of Pentacles in reverse? I saw this card when we were pre-shuffling. Yes, the cheater, the liar, the deceptive, sneaky guy wants to come back. Seven of Swords in reverse. They're panicking with the Nine of Swords here. Now they want to work with you. With the Three of Pentacles, they want to build with you. They want to build from foundation. They want to meet you halfway. They want to get into a long-term committed relationship with you. But yes, there was definitely some sneaky behavior, okay? I think they were avoiding and ignoring you or the connection, whatever it was, okay? There was something deceptive. Now they're returning back, all right? Because it's freaking them out after you cut them out. They realize, I mean, they see you as the Queen of Wands. They see you doing you, and now they want to come back with the Nine of Swords. They have sleepless nights. They're stressing. They're in panic mode right now. But I think you, with the King of Swords, you're losing your logic and head. I don't think you have any emotions. I don't think you're giving an emotional approach, okay, to this person. Clap for the King of Swords. Clap for the King of Swords. Clap for the King of Swords. Okay. Again, we have the Nine of Swords, we have the Three of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Okay, so you're using your logic, but the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, you know that there was nothing change. There was no change with this person. Okay, you feel things are just not going to go your way. Maybe you feel this is karma. This could also be karma playing out. Okay, luck is just not on your side with this person. But however, they're still stressing out, and they still want to work with you, or This time, I feel that you're just focused on yourself with the Three of Pentacles. You're building, you're taking care of your finances, which is again freaking them out. And with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, you feel things are just not going to go your way. So you're using your logic. You're using your logic. You're being very clear in communication. And you're just going to decide whether you want this person or not. Look at the Ten of Wands in reverse. What is this Ten of Wands in reverse on Libra's mind or the person they're dealing with? For the Ten of Wands in reverse. For the Ten of Wands in reverse. Okay. Alright. The Ten of Wands in reverse, clarified by the Emperor in reverse, the Two of Cups, and the Ten of Swords in reverse. There was definitely a painful ending, alright? You did end something. You felt very, very betrayed with this person, but you're getting over it, okay? With the Ten of Swords in reverse, you're getting over this shit. You could be dealing with someone who's very, very stubborn. Okay, like stubborn as fuck. Like, I mean, my way or the highway. This is someone who has control issues. This is someone who feels that things were completely out of control, and they could probably be, trying to be very abusive. Or this could be someone, who abuses their power. All right. The Emperor in reverse is someone, who moves around feeling the supposedly power that they have, which they don't really have. Okay. This is someone very, very control freak, like a control freak, like I said. Okay, angry, non-committal. But however, I think whoever you're dealing with, right, with the Two of Cups here, I think they want a relationship with you. The point is, do you want a relationship with someone like this who's already betrayed you, or there's been something very painful? All right. So yeah, they want to get off this burden. All right. They want to move forward with you with the Five of Pentacles in reverse. They want to come back to you. It's a big burden on them. They may be a control freak. They may act like jerks, but yeah, they want this relationship with you. It's on their mind. But you on the other hand, are trying to heal from the betrayal that they've given you. Alright, clarify the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. 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 Okay. We have the Knight of Cups. We have the Knight of Swords in reverse, the Six of Pentacles in reverse, and the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. They're all knights here. There are chances you could be dealing with someone who's very, very immature. Okay, definitely, because you're the queen, they're the knight, you're the empress. I mean, you have a lot of knights here. All right, very immature energy, very in and out energy. This person could definitely be in and out of your life. Okay, they're just not. They're very fickle, very inconsistent. Okay, and that could be one of the reasons why you're not putting in the effort. Okay, and why you just shut them off. They're not opening up. All right, so with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse here, the root of the issue, I feel there's someone who's not opening up, someone, and or it could also be, you're just putting an end to the drama. Whenever this person comes in, they bring in a lot of drama. All right, I think you're putting an end to the drama because there is a lack of forward movement here. All right, with the Six of Pentacles in reverse, you feel it was always a one-sided situation. This could be someone who was just putting in the effort all the time and the other person was just chilling. Okay, like they already knew that you were in love, so they were just they weren't putting any effort inside. And with the Knight of Pentacles in reverse here, they were not even offering you any stability. Okay, they were not ready to make a move or a commitment. I see a lot of lack of commitment here. All right, this is and I think that's why you let them go. And now with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, as the root of issue, you're not putting in any work at all in this person. Like I said, King of Swords, you're making a logical decision. You're doing what you think is right logically. You're not letting your emotions affect you again. You're going to think from your head and not from your heart, Libra, just like you would do. Right, clarify the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse in the future? Why will Libra experience the Ten of Pentacles in reverse coming to the near future? Clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Clarify the Ten of Pentacles. You okay? So with the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, all right. Let's see. Knight of Cups, Five of Cups in reverse, and the King of Wands. All right. So why does it always have to be that once someone leaves a situation and that's when someone wants to come in, right? You're ending a marriage or a commitment, like I said, in the near future, right? There's a breakup. You're something like that. You're not reaching a point of stability and security. Like I said, this relationship, you may realize that this relationship is made on a very weak foundation, okay? But now you are moving forward with the Five of Cups in reverse. You're moving forward, okay, from whatever um, whatever did not work out. You're moving from it, okay? You're not focused on the past anymore. You're letting it go. You're moving forward, looking towards a positive zone. You're getting into a very positive state of mind, all right? You're letting go, and you're trying to know what's there in the future for you. The moment you do that, the King of Wands, okay, you're taking action. You're moving forward. You know what you want, okay? You know you're not going to be stuck in this rut here, all right? But the Knight of Cups here, I feel that's when the person's coming in, all right? They're going to be vulnerable this time. If they were holding back before, they're not. They're coming in with this love offer, okay? I feel it's an apology more than a love offer, but take it how it resonates. I feel someone wants to give you an apology, but you're moving forward with the Five of Cups in reverse. And probably now they want to take action with the King of Wands. Now they want to commit to you. They want to be with you. They want to offer you something stable. But with the Ten of Pentacles in reverse here, I feel that, you're not going to settle for anything less, okay? You're not settling for any less. You want the entire package. Just the Knight of Cups and the King of Wands is not going to make a difference. You want the entire package. You just don't want feelings and emotions. You want feelings, you want emotions, you want stability, you want security, you want everything, all right? So yeah, Libra, it's up to you. They're coming in. It's up to you if you want them or not, but they're coming in for sure. All right, Libra, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please leave your comments below. Like, share, follow, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.